Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Barrio Getsemani. If you're in the Cartegena area, this is something that you should do. Do not leave Cartegena without going here. I mean, check out the architecture, the vibrant colors, the environment. Also, it's a great place to eat. I kind of got like a hipster vibe from this area. You know, a lot of backpackers and there's a lot of hostels, as you can see, moving along. But just ride with me today as we take a short walk through here. And this is where you get your great selfies from. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Good.
I got weed.
No drogas para mí. Gracias, sir. On some of this art right here, the artists put their Instagram underneath their artwork. So for some of you all have Instagram, you can hit them up. One thing I did not figure out was what inspired some of this artwork. I tried to book a tour, but I didn't see nothing but like subpar reviews. So I was like, you know what, I'll hit this up myself. But I'm still curious about like what inspired this artwork and who are the artists that did this stuff, some of the stories behind it. That's the kind of information I wanted to know, but didn't get a chance to figure out. If you know, drop it in the comment, please. Who are these artists and what inspired them? It just that some of you all know, and we're gonna walk around in a second and see it. This is located right by. It's across the street from the clock tower. Come hang out over here at nighttime. It's a different vibe, man. It's a good vibe though. Good crowd. Different from over there. A lot of tourists be out here, so check it out at nighttime. This right here is the location where a lot of the women be taking all their selfies on IG and different platforms. Right here. I was always curious where it was at, and I found it today. Let's keep it moving. This is one of the benefits to actually having a tour guide. Like I said, I'm seeing all this beautiful art and I don't understand, like what it is or the stories behind it. So next time, I'm definitely getting a tour guide. That way I can understand what I'm looking at and why. But beautiful artwork. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's basically it. We're right back at the beginning. Across the street is the clock tower area, or Torre del Rojo. So I appreciate y'all coming on this walking tour with me. If you all want to see some of the art and everything, I recommend coming in the morning time because, it gets rather crowded in the evening. So that's why I made it out here earlier this morning. But I appreciate y'all. I got about 2 videos left about Cartegena, and that's it. Then we're moving on to something else. And I can't wait to share my travels with you all. So I appreciate y'all. I'm Travel Squad 2Ds in the period. Don't forget the period. Stay tuned in. I appreciate y'all. I'm out.